such an action.
Akakiiko kaweebwa ennaku 45 okunoonyeza ku nguzi eri mu kuzimba eggaali y'omukka, okumenya endagaano mu ngereka y'ensimbi z'oluguudo luno n'ebirala.
One of the witnesses we are going to meet this week on the 8th day of January this particular year at 9 a.m. State House in Entebbe. I wrote to him a letter on the 29th, onto which he responded in a phone call and accepted to answer some of the questions.
Akakiiko kagamba nti kagenda kuvaayo ne kajjojijoji w'ebibuuzo eri Pulezidenti w'eggwanga nga baagala okumanya omulimu gwe yalina mu kuzimba oluguudo lw'eggaali y'omukka.
What was his role in this procurement process? Did he issue any executive orders to the effect that government officials had to avert procurement procedures and expedite the process of procuring a contractor for SGR? Was he consulted before the Minister of Works, Honorable Byandara, delegated duties to Honorable Byabagami, who is not the line minister for that particular docket?
Akakiiko kagguddewo mwaka 2015 n'omuliro ng'era ateereddwa ku ggwagi ye muwandiisi w'enkalakkalira mu minisitule by'emirimu Okelo Bangamoi ng'alina okunnyonnyola obuyinza gye yabujja okukola nga bw'ayagala.
Does this necessarily mean that you have to identify, for instance, one company and then you say you develop it into an EPC contract like you're saying, or there is competition within the Chinese companies? Do you have to zero on one company?
Even if we are going to use Chinese money, which is provided for, and it's a bilateral, as you want us to believe, even if we are going to do that, there must be competition.
I don't know whether you are aware of the profundity of the statement you've just made. What you're telling this committee is actually that there is a point at which Uganda can waive its sovereignty and allow another country to dictate upon us what laws we should apply in our own country.
Under the China procurement system that we are using, we are also following how the Chinese has developed their processes of procurement, which involves their financing, which then from the financing they give you that this is what you to do to get our financing.
Kizuuliddwa nga ensisinkano y'akakiiko ne Pulezidenti bwetajja kukkirizibwamu bannamawulire okuggyako aba Pulezidenti. Enguzi efumbekedde mu kuzimba eggaali y'omukka eremesezza omulimu okutandika era nga guno gwa buwumbi bwa $8 ng'eno erina kuyamba ku by'ensobolagana n'amawanga ag'omuliraano.